Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to clean Ford Fusion engine, only way. Start by letting the engine cool, disconnect the negative terminal, and wear protective gear. Cover electrical components and air intakes with plastic to avoid water intrusion. Use a degreaser and soft brush to lift grime, then rinse gently with low-pressure water. Dry thoroughly with compressed air or microfiber towels before reconnecting the battery and testing for leaks or issues. Begin by applying a quality degreaser across the engine bay, avoiding sensors and exposed filters. Let it soak for several minutes to break down oil and road grime, then scrub gently with a soft brush. Rinse using a low-pressure spray from the back forward to flush debris without forcing water into connectors. Repeat spot cleaning as needed, then use compressed air or towels to remove pooled water and accelerate drying before reassembly. Once the engine is dry, remove coverings and carefully inspect electrical connectors and vacuum lines for moisture. Reconnect the battery only after confirming dryness, then start the car and let it idle to evaporate any remaining damp spots while listening for unusual noises. Wipe down visible surfaces and apply a silicone dressing to rubber and plastic trim for protection and shine. Finish by checking under the car for drips and performing a short road test to confirm everything functions normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.